Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, guys. In today's video, again, I'm up with a video, and in today's video, we're going to learn a very interesting topic. I mean, it's not a topic, it's a trick that we are going to know about the trick to find the square of any two digit number. We are going to learn how to find the square of any two digit number from 1 to 99, any two digit number in less than 10 seconds. We're going to see a very simple trick that you're going to learn in this video. And if you master this trick, you can find the squares of number in less than 10 seconds and even in less than 5 seconds. So the only thing that you need to know to apply this trick is the squares of all the numbers from 1 to 9, all the numbers from 1 to 9. So let's begin with this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button to show your support. Let's reach our target of 10 subscribers as soon as possible. So now let us begin with all your favorite number, all your students' favorite number, and I don't need to explain why it's your favorite. So what we do is, don't look at this right now, just see what we have to do in this trick. We have 9 here, we need to write down the square of 9. I'm sorry for that. Let me erase it. We need to find the square of 9. We take the square of 9 and write it over here. And then now 6 into 9 is 30. 6 into 9 is 6 into 9 is 54, and double of 54 is 108, and you agree upon it. 6 square is 36. That is what you have to do with all the numbers. So after you've got, what you have to do is that the units digit square and write it here. I've written 9 square is 81. Now multiply both the digits of the two digit number. 6 into 9 we get 54. Double that number and write it here. Let it be a two digit number or a three digit number, but you have to write the digit here. They have to be separate. Now 36 you're taking, that is 6 square. Okay, you have to write in this order. First the unit digit square, then double of the product of the digits of the number, then the square of the tens digit. That you have to write it down. And as I've said, you have to remember the squares of number from 1 to 9. Now what you have to do, consider the unit digit and carry on this 8 here. You write down this 8 here and add this. And you get 116. Now again, consider the 6 and carry this 11 to this 36 and add it here. If you use a pen and paper, it would be much faster. Here 3 and here 6. Nothing is there to carry, so we consider the whole number here. So we get 69 square is equal to everything that I've underlined in order. 4, 7, 6, 1. You can verify it in a calculator. You've seen it on PC screen, I've done it in less than 20 seconds. If you master this trick, you can do it in less than 5 seconds or less than surely less than 10 seconds. And if you master it in less than 5 seconds, it's going to help you in many of your examinations to save plenty of your time. Many are going to do the long multiplication trick, and that's going to take at least 30 seconds of your time, and you can do the same thing in just 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Now, many of you must have not understood. Now, let's take another example. 73. 3 square, we find that it's 9, and we write it down here. Now, 7 into 3, 21. 21 into 2, 42. And 7 square, 49. So the basic rule is, it's x square. Let me write it down. I might be a little bit slow in writing. 2xy. And then at the left, it's y square. You have to write these things separately, as I've written down here. I've also written it down here, as you can see. This is x square. X we are considering as 3. That is what the same thing I did it in this last example also. So this is x and this is y. We're taking x square, 3 square is 9, and we're taking 2 into x into y. 2 into 7, 2 into 7 equal 14, and 14 into 3 equal 42. You need to know the table, you need to remember the tables. And then y square, that is 7 square is 49. Now we're going to consider the unit digit. There's nothing here, so there's no need to carry. Again, here unit digit and carry this 4 over here. 4 plus 9, 13, 3, and 1. That's going to be 53. So what is the square of 73? 5, 3, 2, 9. You can verify this also. See, it's so simple and fast trick, right? Now let's see another last example, and you're going to understand it clearly. And I want you to try few numbers. First try 40 to 50, that is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. You practice some of numbers, minimum 10, then you're going to master it. Let's see the number 29. 9 square, 81. We get 81 here. 2 into 9 is 18. 18 into 2, 36. And 2 square, 4. As you know, the line is not necessary. We consider 1. We carry the 8 here. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4, 1, and again 4. We get 44. We consider the 4 and take the 4 here. And we get 8. And 29 is square, we get it as 841, right? It would take a plenty of time if you would multiply this, right? And it's taking just less than 5 seconds here. That's how we find the square of any two digit number using this simple trick. There is a video in which you can find the square of any number using another trick. it wouldn't save your time if you're finding the square of a three-digit number. If you want to find the square of a five-digit number or a six-digit number, it would be comparatively lesser time taken in that trick if you rather than multiplying the whole thing. But in three-digit number, multiplying is the best option. The next trick also is not going to help. So for the next trick of finding square of any number with n number of digits, I want you to comment down, demand for it in the comment box. And that's all for today's video. I'll meet you in the